What's up, everyone? I'm Esteban Ramos. I'm the in-house master barber here at CUTCAM. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick demonstration on a skin fade using this guy, CUTCAM, the easiest way to give yourself a great haircut. CutCam is hands down the easiest way for you to give yourself a haircut that you'll love at home. As the in-house master barber, I've been working hard to create tutorials so you guys can get the same great results. We're launching our Indiegogo campaign October 21st. Don't forget to come support us so you can feel like $1,000,000 every day.